Hey, so here's Grindr app, which is the most popular gay chat app, gay dating app. Uh, so yeah, it's kind of like a Tinder, but just for gay people. You can see it's in the top charts. So this is what you can do to install it. Just use your Apple ID in App Store app, and yeah, just confirm with Touch ID. And yeah, then you can just see people nearby based on your location, chat and share private photos, filter your search, report people easily and safely. And then there is a subscription Grinder Extra, so you can check that out as well. And this is the app, so you can just open it up. And then yeah, you can create an account with Apple, Google, or Facebook, or just sign up with email. So that's how it works.